I've got to take care of some guest room maintenance today. Not again. Feels like this P-TAC has had a problem every time I'm in this room.
Looks like it's time to replace this unit. I'll submit a CapEx report.
Do we really need to purchase a new unit? This one's out of warranty. Let's see what's been going on with this unit. I'll submit a request for a replacement.
Looks like this unit has been having a lot of issues. Oh good, everything's here, so I can approve this.
I'm glad we were able to replace that old faulty unit so fast.